Hi there, Laura here. Today I am doing a collab with Kailee Wesley, and here are some beautiful earrings that she sent me as well, so I thought I'd better wear those. I might have to take them off before I put my foundation on though, because I don't want to get them dirty. And today we are using the Sophx palette. Now I know this is not a new palette, it's an old palette. It looks like this. But I had decided I wanted to use that for my next Shop My Stash, which I've got in at the moment, and she was saying she wanted to use hers more as well, so we decided to do a collab on it, and we're doing a palette bingo slightly different. So I was watching Valerie give me lip and more, had to think of the name for a minute, and she was doing these twisted bingo things, and it gave me the idea for this bingo one. So what we did was we chose the colours, so Kailee chose the colours for both of us, and we have to do them in that order, and then as each colour comes up we have to, on the randomizer app, I've got a roulette wheel, we choose where that colour is going to go. So I have no idea how this is going to turn out. It could be an absolute disaster, or it might be, it might not, but it should be fun anyway. So that's what we're going to do today. If you've been watching my channel at all, you will probably already know Kailee, because she's been a great friend here on YouTube, and I really enjoy her channel, and we're always talking about each other on our channels. So if you don't know Kailee, then I'll leave her link down below and go and check her out, because she is a lot of fun. So the first colour we got was Tiramisu. So what I've done is I've put my things, the parts of my eye that I usually do eyeshadow on this roulette wheel. So I've got inner corner, transition, a crease colour, outer corner, a lid shade, a second lid shade, because I always do 2 or 3 lid shades, but I've just done 2 on here, a second crease shade, because I usually do more than one there as well, and brow bone. So I'm going to see which colour I had first. So the first colour that she pulled was Tiramisu, which is this brown colour here. My nails are too long, I can't see which I'm pointing at. This one here. So it looks like just a brown, medium brown transition. And I'm going to find out where I'm going to put that one. So let's have a look and see. So that's going to be a lid shade, okay. So the matte brown is going to be a lid shade. So I'm going to put that on my lid. It's a really pretty brown. It's like a pale milk chocolate brown. I like the colour of it. This would be great if you have no idea what to do with your makeup and you just want to play. Okay, so I did my lid shade first. I've left the inner part, so I've done it on that part of the lid. And the next colour we got was Cloudberry. And Cloudberry is this really pretty orange one here, which I really like that colour. Let's find out where Cloudberry is going to go. If it's not somewhere too crazy. Inner corner. Yeah, I think that's alright for Cloudberry. I could have an orange in the corner. So I'm going to grab a brush. What am I going to use? So I'm going to put Cloudberry on my inner corner. I'm going to have a nice matte orange inner corner. We did say we could add liner and glitter and things to this project, but we'll see what it looks like before I decide what I want to add. This is not the order I would normally do my eyeshadow either. But I really like that orange, it's really pretty. And so the next colour is Danger. Let's have a look, which one was that? So the next colour is this kind of burgundy brown here. So it looks like this, and it's another matte. So let's find out where we're going to put that one. It would be weird if I got some categories that, if I don't get some categories, so something might have nothing on it. Lid shade, so that's the second lid shade. So I guess that's going to go in between those two. What do I do if I just get a whole lot of lid shades and no transition? That's going to be weird. We sort of didn't discuss those kind of rules. Now I'm just going to go back and blend. Could be very interesting. So it's quite likely that I'm going to end up with shimmer in my transition. So that's what we're looking like so far. And the next colour we got was Smoky Bronze, which is a shimmer. There's this one here. It's kind of a goldy brown. Let's find out where we're going to put that. You have no idea. Let's see, what is it? What's it going to be? Yep, get a shimmer in the crease. So it's a crease colour. Okay, shimmer in the crease it is. Let's blend out our matte lid with a shimmer in the crease. Well, this is a very different look. Okay, and the last colour we got was Petrol. I don't even have to look up which one that is because I know. And that's this one here, which is that one of those blue-brown shift kind of colours. So I wonder where that's going to go. Okay, here we go. Second crease colour. Yeah, I predicted it. I said I was going to get those shimmers in the crease. Alright, so I'm going to deepen up my crease with Petrol. This is a very dark, smoky kind of look, isn't it? This is very different. So I didn't get anything, I didn't get lower lash line, I didn't get brow highlight. Holy moly, I just realised I didn't have my microphone on, oh no. I hope that the sound wasn't too bad, it was a little bit buried. like I need a little bit more of that petrol colour in there, because the other one's a bit higher and darker. Complete opposite to what you usually think of doing, which is mattes in the crease and shimmers on the lid. Completely different. That's what we're looking like. So those are all the eyeshadow colours. I'm going to tightline while I think about what liner I might use. So I'm going to try putting this orange Colourpop one in Puppy in my waterline, because I thought it might go nicely with that inner corner. Which it is. I'm not sure. I'm going to try going in with my Master Drama Maybelline pencil in, I think I've got past the name, bronzy, Brownie Glitz it's called. Let's see if this works. I think that looks alright. And I think I might just add, what do I want to add? I think I'm going to add my Supershock shadow, which is like a glitter to me, in Birthday Treat. Is that cheating? We said we could use glitter. To me this is like a topper glitter type thing. Do you think it's cheating? I just want to put a tiny bit just on there with that Cloudberry colour. You probably can't even see it on camera. And got glitter on my face already. So I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. So I think I'll go into Cloudberry here and I'm going to try using that as my blush. Oh, that was a bit too much because it's an eyeshadow, so it's very pigmented. What do you think? I think that makes a nice blush on me. Getting my eyes watered a little bit, and so I need to just fill that bit in. Now, I didn't get a colour that would be good for a highlight, so I'm going to get a highlighting palette. And since I'm doing this with Kailee, I'm going to get the highlighting palette that she gifted me. We did a makeup swap. Hopefully that video is up yet. She's waiting for my box to come. I'm pretty sure I posted mine the day before she posted hers, and I've got hers already and she hasn't got mine at all. So that's a bit sad. So I'm going to go in with Top It Off. I think Kailee Top It Off might end up being my favourite colour out of this palette, because it's just so orange. And I'm going to spray my face. Go in with my highlighting brush, and what shall I go in with? I'm going to try double take here. Oops, just about lost it. And I just want to pop a little bit on the top there. Oh, yeah, that looks good. And now I need to do my mascara. Oops, straight in my eye. That was clever. Now I've got mascara dots all on my face. I decided to go for my Ultra 3 soft toffee lipstick. And that is my final look for doing my very weird palette bingo, I don't know what to call it, with my collab with Kailee Wesley. So thank you so much, Kailee, for collabing with me yet again. And you might notice my hair looks a bit different too, because I dyed it a deep rose gold, so that's what the top looks like, the deep rose gold. And then this morning in the shower I have some pink conditioner, and I just put the pink conditioner through the end, so that will kind of, the pink will fade out as I wash it again. But I thought it added a bit of colour into my hair. What do you think? So thank you again, Kailee. Love you. And if you checked out Kailee's channel, be sure to do that, or just go and watch her video that she did. I'm dying to see how hers turns out. So I actually don't think it turned out too bad, actually. But then I'm not totally against putting shimmers in my crease because they always end up there anyway, but it doesn't look too bad. This little bit here keeps watering though and cracking because it's just my eyes. It's better. So this was really fun, and I would never have done anything like that kind of mix of colours in those places without this challenge. I have to call it a challenge, I think. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!